Are you tired of juggling multiple shipping carriers, rate calculations, and tracking updates? In this video, I'll show you how to get started with ReachShip, a powerful multi-carrier shipping solution that simplifies your entire shipping workflow. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up ReachShip and start shipping smarter. What is ReachShip? ReachShip is a shipping automation platform designed for e-commerce businesses. It helps you connect multiple carriers, compare live shipping rates, generate labels, track shipments, and manage everything from one dashboard. No more switching between carrier websites. Who should use ReachShip? ReachShip is ideal for WooCommerce and Shopify store owners, growing e-commerce businesses, sellers who want faster order fulfillment, anyone looking to reduce shipping costs and errors. Step 1. Create your ReachShip account. Let's start with the basics. Visit the ReachShip website and click on Get Started. If you don't already have an account, sign up using your email address. After verifying your email, simply sign in to access the ReachShip dashboard and get started. The ReachShip Analytics dashboard gives you a quick overview of your subscription and API usage, including rate requests, shipments, API calls, and connected carriers, helping you manage limits and plan shipments effectively. It also shows shipment trends over time with carrier and service level breakdowns, allowing you to compare delivery speed, costs, and performance to make smarter, data-driven shipping decisions. Step 2. Add your shipping carriers. Before we start adding carriers, it's a good idea to check out the ReachShip documentation. The documentation walks you through supported carriers, required credentials, and best practices for setup. Once you're familiar with that, let's connect your shipping carriers. All you have to do is go to Settings, then click on Carriers. From there, you can add your shipping carriers. ReachShip supports popular carriers including DHL, FedEx, UPS, Australia Post, Sendle, and USPS. Simply enter your carrier account credentials, click on Validate and Save Settings, and ReachShip will automatically fetch real-time shipping rates for your shipments. Step 3. Connect your e-commerce store. Now it's time to connect your online store. ReachShip integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento 2 and Wix. You can start by logging into your ReachShip account. In the next window, navigate to Settings, then click Stores. Next, select Shopify. In the pop-up window, you will be prompted to install the ReachShip app. When you click Install, you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Click Install, and then click Install again to complete the process. Once done, you need to log in again to your ReachShip account. Once signed in the next window, click on Settings, then Stores from the dropdown. You can see that your Shopify store is integrated. In the Order Management tab, click All Orders. Next, click Sync Orders. In the pop-up window, you can select the platform and store from the drop-down menu. You can also filter by date and order numbers. Here, I am using order numbers. Then, click Sync Orders. After clicking Sync Orders, the expected number of synced orders will be displayed on your dashboard. Click on the order you want to view. Once you have clicked on the order you want to ship, add in the sender and customer details, along with the package details, and click on Fetch Rates. Next, you'll get carrier choices along with pricing details, so you can pick the option that works best for you and click on Create Shipment. Once the shipment has been created, click on Create Order. The order will be created. Now all you have to do is click on Generate Label. With just a click, you can generate and print shipping labels directly within Shopify. The Order Management section allows you to see and manage all your orders in one place. This section lets you sync orders from various platforms and add new orders manually. All orders with created shipments will be eligible to appear under the Pickup section. Select the shipments you want and click on Create Pickup. You'll need to provide details such as the pickup date and pickup time window. Once you've entered this information, you can create the pickup. After it's scheduled, the pickup will be listed under Generated Pickups for easy tracking and management. A manifest is a summary document that contains details of all the shipments you've created and are handing over to a carrier. To generate a manifest, select the shipments you want to include and click on Create Manifest. You can also choose Create Bulk Manifest to include multiple shipments at once. Once generated, the manifest will be listed under Generated Manifests, where you can download it anytime. In Settings, the API Keys section is where you manage credentials needed for custom API integrations after installing the ReachShip plugin. Under Shipper Settings, you'll find the Branding option, where you can add your company logo and branding details. These will be reflected on documents like the commercial invoice. Next, we have the Sender Address section, where you can add multiple addresses. Simply click on Add New Address, fill in the required details, and click Save Address. When you click on New Order, you'll be able to select from the sender addresses you've previously saved. The Packaging section lets you save custom package sizes. Just like saved addresses, you can store default package dimensions here to quickly select them when creating shipments. After setting up tracking emails in the Tracking section, customers automatically receive shipment updates and tracking details. Under the Request log, you can see all the API requests you've made. The logs are separated by production and sandbox modes, so you can easily track requests in each environment. It also shows whether each request was a success or a failure, helping you troubleshoot issues quickly. You can click on any request to view its detailed information, including the full request data and the carrier's response. You can also download both the ReachShip logs and the carrier logs for deeper analysis and troubleshooting. The My Account section includes your profile information, along with your subscription details and billing history. The Shipment Details section allows you to preview shipment information, print labels, and track shipments in real time. Additionally, ReachShip includes a shipping rate calculator, so you can compare live rates across carriers and choose the most cost-effective and efficient shipping option. And that's how you get started with ReachShip. If you want a simpler, smarter way to manage shipping, ReachShip is definitely worth trying. Don't forget to check out the ReachShip channel for more shipping tips and tutorials.